Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we will be doing another lovely floral wreath. This one is a little bit different. It has a lot of texture going on. So, I thought I recorded with two cameras so you can get both angles, but I can't seem to find the footage or which phone or I don't know what I used to record the second video on. So anyway, we're going to start with these beautiful Gerber daisies. I believe they came in the tone of like an off-white. They are so gorgeous. So we're just going to put these in at different heights and different angles and all that great stuff. Now the one thing I would suggest, and this is the first time I've ever done something like this, is I would wire the stems, because what I noticed that the next day when I got ready to set these up, they were kind of flappy. And if you don't know what wiring the stem means, is that if you ever created a corsage for any kind of flower like this, you would make the wire into a U, the 22 gauge wire, the long wire into a U, and then stick it down the middle and twist it around the stem. I should do a video on that. If I do, I'll link it in this video later. But it would give, because the stems like kind of get floppy later in the day, because they're beautiful right now, but I noticed the next day some of them got floppy because they weren't getting as much water as they were at the beginning. So I think I had 3 bunches of these. There's 10 to a bunch, and I just put them all in here and made it, just different heights, different shapes, not different heights, different angles, just everywhere. And this was the beginning, or this is my focal flower for this arrangement. I hope this sounds a little bit better. I was using another microphone and it sounded so muffled. So anyway, now I'm coming back in with these white carnations, and all I'm going to do is cut them again in different heights, and they are going to kind of cover up the green foam. So again, in different heights, different angles, just bring those in. gorgeous Vandella or Ivory roses. And we're just going to come in again. I bloom them open by twisting, and then I'm just going to put them into the spots that are green. Again, different angles, different directions. And my suggestion is to open them up a day before, because these were really fresh and I couldn't get them to bloom as big as I would like them to. I would have liked them to be like really big, because they would have covered more area. Last but not least, we're going to come in with these button pom-poms. So this is almost the end of this video. I just went through and covered up all the greenery or holes that you see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.